Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English and More with Aishani. Today I am going to tell you in this short video what are the commonly mispronounced words, their wrong pronunciation and then their correct pronunciation. Do watch the video till the end to master your pronunciation. So I have heard a lot of people say, I am going to eat 5 almonds tomorrow morning. Listen, almonds is very wrong. It is almond. I am going to eat 5 almonds tomorrow morning. The next word is, I went to the Safdarjung tomb to see it. Guys, this is very wrong again. It is, I went to the Safdarjung tomb. T-O-M-B is pronounced as tomb. You know, my friend is suffering from asthma. This is very wrong again. It is asma. The correct pronunciation is asma. You know, I'm planning on going to Sri Lanka in December and I have booked the suit. Oh, have you booked the suit? Listen, that's wrong. It is not suit. You will say, I am going to Sri Lanka in December and I have booked a suite. S-U-I-T-E is pronounced as sweet. You know, I am heartbroken because Kamla lost her cat. She is going to go bury it. What did you just say? Bury it? Oh God, that's wrong. It is bury. B-U-R-Y is pronounced as bury. Kamla is going to bury her cat. Do you know the pronunciation of this word? Rendezvous? No, totally incorrect. The correct pronunciation is rendezvous. Rendezvous. Listen, Ashish, I am going to order a pizza tonight. Aishani, it is not pizza, it is pizza. No, Ashish, you are very wrong. It is not pizza. It is pizza. Pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Bhago, bhago, bhago. Police aa gayi. Wrong. It is police aa gayi. Police. P-O-L-I-C-E is pronounced as police. Police. Not police, police. I am a woman and there are 2 women in the room. I have heard people say there are 2 womens in the room. That is absolutely wrong. It is there are 2 women in the room. I am going next Wednesday for the Diwali Mela. Listen, it is not Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. Say it properly. Wednesday. Correct. Did you see the latest meme? It is not meme. It is, did you see the latest meme? Did you see the latest meme? So guys, I hope you understood the correct pronunciation and you learnt it also in today's video. These are the common words which people generally mispronounce incorrectly. So I hope after this video, the words are clear to you and from now on, you will start pronouncing these words correctly. For more content like this, please do follow English and More with Aishani. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you.